Okay, so another question I know is going to come up is how do I scale these campaigns? How do I make more money? I want to make more, more, more. So again, another refresher for you. Scaling means spending more. So let's go over how to do that with the 3 campaign methods that I've taught you. So with the 10 pack for scaling, it's very simple. You add more 10 packs. If you have 7 going and it's doing well, add another 7 and another 7 and another 7 and keep adding them. Okay, you can go on and on and on because those are such small daily budgets that you can literally add 10 packs all day long, and it'll just make more and more money, and it'll pause the ad sets that aren't working and only keep the good ones. Eventually you have a campaign that is like 20% test ad sets and 80% profitable. It's then when you have a big smile on your face because you're doing really, really, really well. Okay. The reload method for scaling, instead of 5 ad sets at 50 per day, do 10 ad sets at 50 per day, then 25. So just add more ad sets with the reload method and just keep reloading them every morning. That's how you scale it. Very simple, right? The big boy method for scaling. Here we're going to the campaign level. Instead of 1 campaign, do 2. So each campaign has 1 ad set and 10 ads in it. Then 3, then 5, then 10. If you're at 10 of these campaigns running, that's a potential to be spending like $10,000 a day. Okay, that's big boy money. Now you're in the big leagues. This campaign method can handle it, and you can do it. So if you have any questions, let me know. My overall advice is keep it simple. So just scale by adding more ad sets for the first 2 methods, and then just by making more campaigns with the big boy method. Just keep it simple. Don't complicate this. There's no need to be tinkering with budgets or anything like that with these specific methods because you don't need to. You just need to add more to it. That's how you spend more. That's how you make more. The more you spend in this business, the more you make, especially with successful products. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions, let me know.